Have you ever wondered why some investments swing wildly in value while others stay steady? That is the heart of financial risk. In the world of money, risk is simply the possibility that your actual return will differ from what you expected. It is important to remember that no investment is truly risk-free. Even holding cash has the hidden risk of inflation. These are the four main categories you will encounter. Each one impacts your portfolio in a slightly different way. Investors balance these risks by choosing between conservative assets like bonds or aggressive assets like stocks. Historically, assets with higher potential rewards often come with higher volatility. This is the fundamental trade-off of the market. Education is your best tool for managing risk. Knowing your own goals helps you decide how much uncertainty you can realistically handle. Understanding risk is the first step toward building a plan that fits your life. Thanks for watching and keep learning.